When it comes to packing for an Alaska cruise, the guiding rule is layers. The weather in Alaska can change fast. Cool mornings, sun in the afternoon, and a bit of rain or wind in between is common. You'll want to be ready for all of it. Start with a waterproof jacket, not just water resistant, but something that will actually keep you dry. Pair that with a fleece or puffer vest underneath, and you're set for most days. Comfortable walking shoes are a must, bonus points if they're waterproof. You're likely going to do a mix of walking around port towns and heading out on excursions, so you want something sturdy. Add a warm hat, gloves, and a scarf or buff. Small pieces make a big difference when the air turns cold. For everyday wear, stick to long-sleeve shirts or light sweaters, plus jeans or hiking pants. That's pretty much the core of any Alaska cruise packing list. If you're doing any wildlife watching or boat tours, bringing your own binoculars can make the experience even better. It's also worth packing sunglasses and sunscreen. Yes, even up north. UV rays reflect off the water and ice more than you'd think, especially if you're traveling in June, July, or August. And for evenings on board, most cruises include at least one formal or dressy night. Men often wear a suit or sport coat. Women might choose a cocktail dress, a skirt and blouse, or a polished pantsuit. Smart casual, like a collared shirt or simple dress, also works if you'd rather keep things more relaxed. Whether it's a 7-day cruise or longer, you don't need to overpack. Just be ready to adjust as the day goes on. With the right layers, you'll stay warm, dry, and ready for anything Alaska has in store. Follow us for more tips on planning your perfect Alaska cruise.